In this video, let's talk about how to use Lyft Pink to get free upgrades. Now, in order to get free upgrades using the Lyft Pink, you'll need to first of all ensure that you actually get this membership of Lyft Pink by heading over to your profile section, and you'll be able to see the Lyft Pink option being displayed. You'll need to first of all subscribe, either try out a free plan, or if you already done the free plan, you'll need to pay the monthly fee that is being displayed. Now, once you have the Lyft Pink plan enabled or upgraded, then what you'll need to do is you'll need to book your rides as you normally do, and using the automatic proxy matching, whenever you request a standard ride, your membership will automatically trigger a free upgrade to priority pickup. So you manually do not need to do anything. Once you get subscribed to the Lyft Pink, automatically whenever you request a standard ride, your membership will automatically trigger these free upgrades. So using this exact method, you'll be able to use the Lyft Pink to get free upgrades. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.